Are y'all ready? We're about to go on a nice little nature walk. Clear up some mental space, get my steps in, that type joint. Come on, let's go. Oh my God. It look like that tree done fell down. Oh, you don't have your music on. Hmm?
I don't know.
It is wet. No. It's probably wet though because that's why I was saying bring a chair. Oh,
Oh
I would have sprained my ankle. That's gonna be bad for business. Okay. Oh, it's high. It's so high. It's the highest it's ever been. And it's dirty. Look at it.
no. It used to be clear.
Yeah. Ooh, it smells horrible. They rode their bikes through here. Oh, wow. It's really high. This is the highest I've ever seen it.
Oh, the sand feels so weird.
Oh, that's not wet.
You're going down. That's scared.
All the weight on it made it come up. How deep was it buried? Oh, it's water under there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wait, hold my phone.
Don't dare dig under it.
Okay.
What are you about to do? Here you go.
Get off it.
Here you go. Here you go. Just leave it there.
I'm trying to pull it.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Wow. The only thing I can do is move it like a surface.
Yeah, that's it. I saw something today on TikTok that was saying, you know that you are spiritually gifted because you are drawn to water. And if that ain't me, I don't know what is. Like, my favorite thing to do is to go to Galveston and just sit on the water, like take a book, maybe take my journal, take some music, or just like chill with the kids. And this is also my other favorite hidden gem of just needing a moment to come to the water, and it's like literally down the street from my house. So I come out here from time to time. Even when the kids are at school, I would come out here and just sit and clear my mind, think, cry, scream, shout, whatever, you know. Sometimes I bring me a little wine or a little drink, but I would come here and just take a moment to just connect with nature, just whatever it is that I needed to do. And it helped me feel so much better. I almost fell.
Stop running, you guys. She's the one who started.
All right.
So you're basically saying we're the roaches. Nah.
Who?
She did. She said I'm like this. Yeah, no, I did. Stop lying.
Man, come on.
Be quiet. Be quiet or I'll put that. I dumped you to the water.
Do y'all remember how we got back here?
You be on the ground. Nah, you know, you be under
Man.
the dirt.
Come on, let's go.
You be under the dirt. That's why you can't dig.
What?
I can dig alright. Yeah, I can. It's a man. I have the stick and I can ban you from this world. Yeah, you. Wait, no, what did you say? Did you say the D word? No, I didn't.
What D word?
I said dang. That's what I said.
Come on.
I don't know the D word, Mom.
There's plenty of D words.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. What is it? Why I cannot say it? Just say it. I cannot say it.
No, don't say it.
I want to say it.
I'm not saying it. No, why would I gotta say it? Just come out here.
Yeah, it's very inappropriate. It's very inappropriate.
Sitting there for the last 2 minutes. We was talking about my watch.
Bruh, you keep misheard.
Yeah, she misheard. Don't even say it.
Misunderstanding.
Nuh-uh.
You're not being real. Yes, you are telling me.
That's hot.
But you don't respect what you say.
What?
You said that. You said that you. Nuh-uh. Oh, you're a pencil fire. Yeah, you should.
This a nice little walk. A nice little walk. Come on home, girl.
That man has pencil on fire.
What? What he looking at?
A misunderstanding.
Who the misunderstanding though?
Us.
Girl. It's hot. Which drink you want from Starbucks? The pink drink?
Yeah. Like,
With the strawberries?
yeah, I like the dry strawberries. I like dry strawberries. I know how to make dry strawberries.
I put them in a thing that like dry them completely out, all the juices and stuff.
Yeah, like, oh, how do they correct the juice though?
I don't know. I guess in the like it dries out.
Whoa, you saw that?
Yeah.
No.
Hi. Hi. Huh? No, because that goes back to the water.
Okay. All right,
Okay, stop. Okay, I need to go running in the morning because I done lost my little speed, my little stamina. Okay, now we better go to Starbucks because she want to drink. I don't even want nothing. You getting something from Starbucks? You getting something from Starbucks? Man, no, we got cookies at home. You lucky to be getting Starbucks. Because it's driving all the way out the way. Sitting there for the last 2 minutes. We was talking about my watch.
bruh, you keep misheard.
Yeah, she misheard. Don't even say it.
Misunderstanding.
Nuh-uh.
You're not being real. Yes, you are telling me.
That's hot.
But you don't respect what you say.
What?
You said that. You said that you. Nuh-uh. Oh, you're a pencil fire. Yeah, you should.
This a nice little walk. A nice little walk. Come on home, girl.
That man has pencil on fire.
What?
He will commit
What he
you.
looking at?
a misunderstanding.
Who the misunderstanding though?
Us.
Girl, it's hot. Which drink you want from Starbucks? The pink drink?
Yeah. Like,
With the strawberries?
yeah, I like the dry strawberries. I like dry strawberries. Come on. I know how to make dry strawberries.
I put them in a thing to like dry them completely out, all the juices and stuff.
Yeah, like, oh, how do they correct the juice though?
I don't know. I guess in the like it dries out.
Whoa, you saw that?
What? Hi. Hi. Huh?
The guy on a bike with a pool and a baby past you?
No, because that goes back to the water.
Okay. All right,